Hello everybody, welcome back to the AI video. This one we're in ChatLLM Teams, and today I'm going to show you their brand new lip syncing and AI avatar functionality. You guessed it, the crew at Abacus AI has shipped again, and it is awesome. We are going to look at creating things like talking photos, talking AI avatar videos, educational videos, customer service videos. You can do it all with ChatLLM Teams, and I'm going to show you step by step. Let's go. All right, so to get started, it's nice and simple. Head over to their website, link in the description below. If you have an account, click on sign in and off you go. If you do not, click on get started and you will be asked to sign in. Keep in mind that this is only $10 per user per month. I mention that because ChatGPT alone is $20 a month, and you get a fraction of the functionality you get with ChatLLM Teams. It's absolutely nuts. Click on get started, log in. Now let's get cooking. All right, so here we are, we're logged in. Let's get started. The first thing I like to do is I'm gonna go up here to the top. I'm gonna click on toggle side nav, and the reason why is because I wanna show you an example of something I just created, just so you can see what it looks like inside the app here. I've got one right here. I'm just gonna go through my previous conversations, and check this out here. Look at this. We did this literally in about 30 seconds it took to create this. So here's an example. I'm gonna hit play.
Hello, friend. How are you today?
Okay, so maybe I went a little bit too far with the voice, but it's 2025, so maybe that voice is normal these days. But jokes aside, guys, we can create content like this in seconds. It's a piece of cake. Let's get started here. I'm going to click on the new chat. So we are starting with a blank slate. Let's go down here into their toolbar. You'll see one that says more, and it's got a little triangle by it. Click on that here. When you do that, you get an additional drop-down menu. The one we are looking for is lip sync. Now, lip sync, to me, it's a mixture of lip syncing, AI avatars, AI photo animation. There's a lot of different things you can do with this functionality, but here it is under lip sync. Now we're going to go ahead and select the model. Right now they're using the Hedra model, and this one is blowing up all over the internet. It's absolutely incredible. And then you'll see here we have some choices here. We can do an audio source. We can type out our own script. So if you're a teacher, you could type out one of Shakespeare's soliloquies. If you're a mathematician, type in a code or type in some math, whatever works for you. And then you can also describe the voice. So if I wanted like sexy male voice, I can just go ahead and type that in. If for a script, I could go to be or not to be. That is the question. Something like that. See how easy it is? That is one option. Now look at this here. We also have audio input. You can use your voice or another person's voice and input that. So if I wanted to, for example, record myself saying to be or not to be, that is the question, I can use my exact audio, my exact voice via an audio recording. So that's another option. And then of course we can describe the avatar. So if we wanted to be a William Shakespeare looking dude, right? Something like that. Style caricature. We're having some fun here, okay? You can basically type in any description you want, or alternatively, you can go ahead and upload your own image. Now, the only thing I will caution you is I think there's some rules around celebrity stuff these days if you upload like images of celebrities, but minus that, this is pretty easy going stuff. So you could click on this here and you can upload your own video or your own image, pardon me. So let's go ahead and look at the options one by one. All right, here we go. So let's start off with a simple example. I'm gonna click on more again. Let's go to lip sync. Now, again, let's type in our script. So let's just do a quick one. Hello, how are you today? How was your day yesterday? We're just having some fun here. We're just making this very, very simple. The next thing here, again, we're not going to be uploading any content. We're going to do this entirely with AI. Let's go voice description. We're going to go attractive female voice, something like that, okay? Let's go something like that. Maybe raspy, maybe, yeah, raspy, deep, something like that. Let's just have some fun here. So there's the voice description. Now for audio input, in this case, we do not want to enter one. We're going to run an example after this showing you how that works. And then for an avatar description, well, because we have not put in a description, or we haven't put in an image, pardon me, let's go attractive female, let's go black, and what else? About 28 years old, something like that. Again, you can be as specific as you see fit. And then finally, down at the bottom, aspect ratio 1:1's perfect for Instagram videos, 9:16 is perfect for TikTok and YouTube Shorts, and 16:9 is the standard widescreen. That's perfect for regular YouTube videos. Let's click on generate. Watch this. Here we go. Lip sync generation form submitted. It'll take a few seconds. I'm going to come back when it's done, show you what we got, and then we're going to look at another example that has a few of our own user inputs. All right, so welcome back. Let's see what we got there in that quick video we created. Here we go. I'm going to hit play. Let's go ahead and actually make it full size. Hit play.
Hello, how are you today? How was your day yesterday?
That is amazing. It got the race correct. It got the deep, raspy voice correct. It got the look correct. She's attractive. Guys, that was literally with just like 2 sentences. It absolutely killed it. Let's take a look now, though, at if we use our own images and audio. You're going to love this. All right, here we go. So let's go ahead and spice it up a little bit. Let's use our own images, our own audio. This is where this tool really shines. It is awesome. Here we go. I'm going to go to more. I'm going to go down here to lip sync. When you do that here, instead of typing in a script and a voice description like we did in the previous version, we're going to use our own inputs here. So I'm going to go ahead and drag in a audio. So if you're on a Mac, go to your Finder. If you're on a PC, maybe go to your Explorer. I've got a WAV file, a .wav called curtis.wave. I know it's pretty original, and I'm just going to drag and drop that right there. It's only 4 seconds long. It's just me jibber-jabbering. You can make these much longer, but I'm just using short files just to show you the technique. Now, here we go. Avatar description, we are going to skip that, and we are going to upload our own image. So I'm going to go to my Finder again, and then let's go to my ChatLLM Teams folder. And here we go. I've got a picture of Shakespeare. Let's go with that. We're going to have some fun here. Okay, let's drag and drop that here. Watch that here. You'll see that it's uploading. And then in this one, because of the fact that we've got our own WAV file, we don't have to type in our script. It's going to go ahead and use the audio in that WAV file that we've already got. So here we go. Let's select a different aspect ratio. Let's go with 9:16. I'm going to click on generate. It's going to take a few seconds here. You can see it's using these 2 files. I'll come back when it's done, show you what we got, and then we're going to wrap it all up. All right, welcome back. So let's see what we got here. We got a 4-second video. I'm going to make it a little bigger here, and that is an exact look of Shakespeare, just like the picture. Let's see what it looks like when we hit play.
To be or not to be, that is the question.
Now, that was my exact voice. That is my exact audio recording. So, I mean, look at that there, guys. And we did that in seconds. I don't know about you guys, but ChatLLM Teams, it has everything in it. It is the best multimodal AI app out there. It's got image generation, video generation, PowerPoints, coding. I mean, everything you can imagine. Link is in the description below. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.